GazeBox, the innovative and stylish outdoor shelter that redefines vehicle protection. More than just a garage, GazeBox is a unique, modular carport that offers a modern and elegant solution for protecting your vehicle from the elements while adding a touch of sophistication to your property. With its sleek, transparent design, GazeBox provides full visibility of your vehicle while shielding it from sun, rain, snow, and debris. Whether you're looking for a permanent parking spot or a temporary shelter, GazeBox is versatile enough to meet your needs. Constructed with high-quality, weather-resistant materials, GazeBox is built to withstand the toughest conditions while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Its easy-to-install, foldable structure allows you to set it up quickly and effortlessly, and when not in use, it can be neatly folded away to free up space. The GazeBox is perfect for car enthusiasts who want to showcase their vehicles or anyone looking for a practical, yet stylish, solution to outdoor vehicle storage. Autostacker Parking Lift, the ultimate solution for maximizing your parking space with unmatched convenience and efficiency. Whether you're a homeowner looking to double your garage capacity or a business owner seeking to optimize parking in tight spaces, the Autostacker is designed to make your life easier. This innovative parking lift allows you to stack vehicles vertically, saving space without sacrificing safety or accessibility. Built with durable materials and advanced engineering, the Autostacker can handle everything from compact cars to larger SUVs, making it a versatile choice for any parking need. With its fully automated, one-touch operation, the Autostacker lifts and lowers vehicles smoothly and securely, providing a hassle-free parking experience. Safety is a top priority, and the Autostacker is equipped with anti-slip platforms, integrated safety locks, and a robust construction that ensures stability during use. Whether you're storing your vehicles at home or managing a parking facility, the Autostacker offers a reliable, space-saving solution that's both practical and easy to use. AJ Automated Parking Systems Company, Limited is a trailblazer in the realm of mechanical parking solutions, offering cutting-edge systems designed to optimize parking efficiency in constrained spaces. With over 30 years of experience and a robust presence in South Korea, AJ Automated Parking Systems has successfully completed more than 150 international projects across approximately 30 countries. Their diverse product lineup includes tower parking systems, cart parking systems, multi-layer circulation parking systems, puzzle parking systems, and rotary parking systems. Renowned for their large-scale manufacturing capabilities, particularly with their factory in Gyeongsang, they have maintained the top market share in Korea for 5 consecutive years. AJ Automated Parking Systems is committed to continuous innovation and technical advancement, ensuring their solutions are safe, efficient, and user-friendly. These systems are ideal for modern urban infrastructure, providing a practical and reliable means to enhance parking capacity while preserving the aesthetic appeal of properties. By integrating AJ Automated Parking Systems solutions, urban planners and property developers can significantly improve space utilization and contribute to a more organized and visually pleasing environment. ParkLift 462 by WHR is an advanced parking solution designed to optimize space by providing 2 or 4 underground parking spaces. This system is ideal for courtyards, access areas, or retrofit projects, as it remains invisible when not in use. The top platform can be seamlessly integrated with various surface coverings like sand, marble, grass, or checker plate, blending effortlessly with its surroundings. It accommodates car heights between 165 to 200 centimeters and supports platform loads of 2,000 kilograms or 2,600 kilograms. The ParkLift 462 offers a practical and innovative way to create additional parking spaces without compromising on aesthetics or space. Ideal for areas with limited space, it ensures that parking is both efficient and discreet. This system not only enhances the functionality of urban spaces but also contributes to a cleaner and more organized environment. By utilizing the ParkLift 462, property owners can significantly increase their parking capacity while maintaining the visual appeal of their property. This makes it a valuable addition to modern urban planning and development projects. Rotary Car Parking System (V/RCPS) is an innovative solution for maximizing parking space in tight urban areas. Here's how it works. Vertical movement (V/RCPS) uses elevators or platforms to move cars vertically. This allows for multiple levels of parking within a compact footprint. Increased capacity: by stacking cars vertically, V/RCPS significantly increases the number of vehicles that can be accommodated in a given area. It's an efficient way to optimize parking space. Automation: many V/RCPS designs are automated, reducing the need for human labor. Users can input a space code or use a pre-assigned card to retrieve their vehicle. Low maintenance: these systems are designed for low noise, low wear, and minimal maintenance costs. Long lifespan: with a useful lifespan of 30 to 40 years, V/RCPS provides a reliable parking solution. Solar-powered retractable car garage, a cutting-edge solution that combines eco-friendly technology with innovative design to protect your vehicle. This advanced garage system harnesses the power of the sun to operate, providing a fully automated, retractable shelter that keeps your car safe from the elements. Whether you're dealing with harsh sunlight, rain, or snow, this garage offers reliable protection while reducing your carbon footprint. The solar-powered retractable car garage is designed for convenience and efficiency. With the touch of a button, the garage smoothly retracts or deploys, allowing you to quickly access your vehicle or store it away. The sleek, modern design complements any property, while the solar panels ensure sustainable energy use, eliminating the need for external power sources. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, this garage is designed to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring long-lasting protection for your vehicle. Evolution Parking System, a state-of-the-art automated solution that redefines parking in urban environments. Engineered for residential and commercial spaces, this advanced system utilizes a network of lifts, conveyors, and turntables to automatically park and retrieve vehicles, maximizing parking capacity in even the tightest spaces. By streamlining the parking process, the Evolution Parking System not only saves time but also reduces congestion and stress, making it an ideal choice for busy urban settings. Built with robust materials and equipped with cutting-edge safety features, it ensures vehicles are securely stored and protected from damage, providing peace of mind to users. Its sleek, modern design seamlessly integrates into any architectural environment, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional aspects of the space. Whether you're managing a high-rise building, a commercial complex, or any area with limited parking, the Evolution Parking System offers a reliable, efficient, and innovative solution to meet the demands of modern urban life, transforming parking into a smooth, effortless experience. IdealPark, the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in vehicle storage solutions. IdealPark redefines the parking experience with its advanced car lifts and automated systems, designed to maximize space while adding a touch of sophistication to any property. Whether you're managing a high-end residential complex, a commercial building, or looking to optimize your home garage, IdealPark offers cutting-edge solutions that seamlessly integrate into any environment. These state-of-the-art systems provide smooth, silent operation, effortlessly elevating and lowering vehicles with precision and care. Built with robust materials and advanced safety features, IdealPark ensures your vehicles are securely stored and easily accessible. The systems are fully customizable, accommodating various vehicle sizes and specific project requirements, making them ideal for both small-scale installations and large, complex projects. Beyond functionality, IdealPark's sleek and modern designs enhance the architectural aesthetics of any space, turning parking into a seamless, visually appealing part of your building. Folding box garages, the innovative and space-saving solution for protecting your vehicle in style. These modern, collapsible garages provide a secure and weather-resistant shelter for your car, motorcycle, or other vehicles, while offering the convenience of a compact design that folds away when not in use. Ideal for homes with limited space or those who want a temporary yet reliable storage option, folding box garages combine functionality with sleek, contemporary aesthetics. Constructed from durable, high-quality materials, these garages are built to withstand harsh weather conditions, keeping your vehicle safe from rain, snow, and sun. The foldable design allows for easy setup and takedown, making it perfect for both permanent installations and temporary needs. Whether you need a garage solution for your driveway, backyard, or even on the go, folding box garages offer the flexibility to meet your needs.